This is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to find out what is the maximum camera zoom this device can provide you with. So let's start checking. So I'll just zoom into until I can't no more. And as you can see, apparently the maximum value the farthest I can zoom into things with the default camera app is 8-fold. So the camera on this phone provides you with the maximum of 8x zoom. At least, well, in the regards of photos. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.